Hello everyone, I am Ruparna Ghosh and I am your skincare formulator from Millie's Natural Beauty, where we talk about handcrafted skincare and hair care products. So today we are going to share our next DIY at home. Before that, we'll request you to like, share and subscribe. So this time for DIY at home, we are coming up with just 4 ingredients, and name of this face pack mask is Washing Rain Glowing Skin. So yes, let's begin what it is about. Check out. Thank you.
For washing grain glowing skin, we will use 4 ingredients only. Very first, we will take 1/4 cup of rose petal powder, in which we will add 3/4 cup of oat flour. We can also take rice starch instead of oat flour, and we will use only 3/4 cup of that. In that, we will add half cup of kaolin clay. If you are not able to find kaolin clay, you can easily substitute it with bentonite clay or fuller's earth, but take only half cup of that. And finally, add 1/4 cup of powdered milk. You can use your regular powdered milk for this formulation. Mix all these 4 in a bowl and grind it until you get the uniform texture of the powder. Store it in a lid tight container and do not let any water droplet go inside it. Use this face mask once a week for rejuvenation and glowing skin. It will absorb all the excess oil and dirt. For these kind of DIY at home, you can subscribe us at Millie's Natural Beauty in our YouTube channel. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe for all the DIY of Millie's Natural Beauty. Thank you.